At today's daily briefing, Governor Asa Hutchinson said the uptick was expected. That's why he's pushing for even more tests throughout the state and the month. Fox 16's Jay Burr listening in on today's meeting. He joins us live with more on what the governor had to say. Jay?
Yeah, Kevin, you might remember yesterday, Governor Asa Hutchinson wanting to get to 60,000 tests by the end of May. Well, to make up for the first couple of days in the month, he's got to get approximately over 2,000 tests per day. But he's off to a good start here in the state of Arkansas, saying yesterday there were 2,174 tests completed, and with only a 3.7% positivity rate. He mentioned that he has not heard of any salon or barber shops right now that are not following guidance, and he's hopeful that restaurants will follow suit come Monday. He urges Arkansans to be patient while the state gets through phase 1 of reopening the economy. Department of Health Secretary Dr. Nate Smith said he talked with CDC Director Dr. Robert Redfield, and he was impressed with how Arkansas has handled the situation.
He had been looking at our numbers in Arkansas and was very pleased. He was very pleased, especially since not only have our numbers remained low and heading in the right direction, but through this we never did have to shut down. So we were able to keep our economy going at some level and now an increased level at the same time that we've been able to decrease our cases.
Oh, some big news now. The governor announcing today that they will be releasing some guidance, hopefully tomorrow, on the reopening of casinos in the state. The only details mentioned, though, they would be operating at 1/3 capacity, and there is a May 18th opening date for those in the state. Also, Texarkana Mayor Alan Brown challenging the rest of the municipalities in the state of Arkansas, saying, guys, got to follow these ADH guidelines. Make sure you stick to them. As again, we can get into phase 1, got to get into phase 2, and before that, you get into phase 3. So he's hoping that a lot of the cities in the state will follow that, hopefully be on the downside of this thing sooner rather than later. Live from the state capitol, Jay Burr, Fox 16 News.